メールチャンネルमें आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मेरा नाम माया है।こんにちは。私のチャンネルへようこそ。私の名前はマヨです。आज मैं बहुत मजेदार चीजें सिखाने जा रही हूँ। जापानी स्लैंग्स, कुछ गाड़ियाँ, ज्यादा गाड़ियाँ नहीं है जापानी भाषा में, लेकिन कुछ तो हैं, तो वो सिखाने जा रही हूँ, ठीक है। और आज भी इंदु जी है, तो इंदु जी नमस्ते।
Hi everyone, my name is Indu. Thank you so much, Mayo, for joining us today. And I'm so excited. You're going to teach some slangs, Japanese slangs.
Yes. So Japanese slang compared to Hindi, इतनी ज्यादा गाड़ियां नहीं है मुझे लगता है। हिंदी में बहुत ज्यादा गाड़ियां है ना, लेकिन कुछ तो है। तो ज्यादा इस्तेमाल मत करो क्योंकि बदतमीज माना जा सकता है, लेकिन ज्ञान तो होना चाहिए। और कुछ slangs, I wouldn't say slangs, but I'm gonna teach you some casual words, day-to-day words that can be used between friends and even in workplace with colleagues. So there are some casual words.
Phrases.
Well. Anyway, phrases. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna teach you Guardian because that's fun.
Yay, Galia in Japanese.
Gari de denge. So the first one is bacca.
Bacca. This is so common, right?
Yes, I think it's common. Common. So bacca means pagal.
Bevkoof.
So,
right?
Bevkoof. Yeah. And there is another word for bevkoof, which is aho.
That's Kansai Ben, right? Aho.
Yeah, it's more common in Kansai area. And we can also say doaho. Do means like bahot. Bahot bagal is like doaho. But
I never knew this one.
Yeah, because you are not bevkoof, so you don't get to hear these things.
I heard baka and aho, but never do aho.
I mean, doaho is like, even in Kansai areas, we don't really say doaho, but in like anime and dramas, we hear doaho a lot. So I think do is Kansai language as well, Kansai dialect. So, for example, you can't say dobaka. It's like, it just doesn't sound natural.
Okay.
So, do is very, but only for specific words and mainly in Kansai area. Yeah. So, baka and aho. Okay. So, next one, debu. Debu is like fat. मोटी मोटा ऐसे कहने के लिए दूसरा शब्द है फुटोत्तेइरु. So फुटोत्तेइरु is just describing know, how fat she or he is, and it's not I mean, it can be very offensive, but it's just describing word. But debu is definitely offensive, I think.
Yeah, so rude, right?
Yeah.
Like, I generally heard people saying this a lot to girls more than boys. Like, this is used for women, like females more. Is it like that?
No, it can be used for both, but I think when we talk about weight and how fat we are, girls often say this.
Yeah, girls take it more
seriously.
They're more offended by it. Yeah, maybe.
Yes.
And I hardly also saw Japanese people are hardly fat. They're so
the standard is different.
Nice. Yeah.
So me, I think I'm very healthy and I'm okay, but people call me debu. Like, I'm not skinny at all. I'm not very, but if someone has to choose skinny, normal, fat, I can be categorized as fat.
Oh, really?
So that's my here, especially
because
my
of the
face
cheek.
is big. Yeah, and not only because of cheek, because of my body. So for example, Priyanka Chopra ji is very glamorous and I love her and I think she's sexy. But in Japanese like actress model industry, Priyanka Chopra ji can be very overweight in like Japanese standard. So I think the standard is very different. So Japanese girls have to be super skinny to be called skinny. So yeah, so Dev is very common in standard wise. And I mean, I call myself Dev as well, like as a joke. まあ、デブだからさ、みたいな。
okay, okay.
とか、あ、これ食べたらデブになるとか。If I eat this, I'm gonna get deb. So I say this kind of thing a lot. Not because I'm like depressed about my body. I'm okay with my body. But as a joke,
like making a casual joke.
Yeah. So deb is common word. Anyway, so moving on to the next one. Uzai. Have you heard of this?
Yeah, I think it's just annoying, irritating.
Yeah, it's annoying. So it's super casual, but あの人うざいとか、この音がうざい。This noise is so うざい。So うざい can be, anything. Annoying. Okay. The next one. キモい。キモ。
This we hear a lot in anime, I think. Uses this word.
Yeah. I think so. Kimoi. Yeah. Kimoi means
Hindi, what would it be?
Disgusting.
Ginona? Disgusting.
In Japanese, kimoi is usually disgusting.
So it comes from kimochi warui.
Yeah, kimochi warui. Yeah, it's a short form of kimochi warui. So for example, if, yesterday's lunchbox was in the backpack, and I just found it. Oh, kimo! It's disgusting. Or this can be used for people as well. Like, he's so kimoi. Like, maybe he doesn't get showered every day. Or
smells bad.
His hair, smells bad. And then we can say, あの人kimoi ne. Like that. Okay. Groi. Groi is a short form of a grotesque. So, for example, I cut my, body and the blood is coming out, then it's groi. So this movie is so groi, means like there's so many bloods or something disgusting.
So, what's the difference between kimoi and guroi?
Yeah, groi. So this word should come from gross, but I don't know. In Japanese, English, maybe grotesque is also like katakana word, grotesque.
Okay.
And then groi is like a short form of grotesque.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So maybe something that we look and feel very bad about, maybe that is like gross feeling.
Yes.
For that.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Like, generally people look at blood and they feel, I mean, generally, some people might like it.
Yeah. Also, like, if like vegetarian people see chicken being cooked, it can be groi. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Like, for me, if I see maybe raw meat, a lot of raw meat, maybe I'll feel a little, maybe something like that.
It's usually, it's not usually, often associated with blood or dead body. Yeah. But not limited to dead body, but
something like that.
Like most of the time,
Okay.
तो बहुत ज्यादा खाया होगा मैंने तो बहुत मजेदार लगता होगा ना मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है स्लैंग्स एंड हाँ आपको पहले तो ठीक है जापानीज भाषा आनी चाहिए नहीं तो स्लैंग्स कब इस्तेमाल करेंगे वो पता नहीं चलेगा ना तो ठीक से ग्रामर भी व्याकरण भी पढ़िए और स्लैंग्स भी मजे से पढ़िए और हाँ ध्यान से इस्तेमाल कीजिए ठीक है तो आज के लिए इतना ही इंदु जी धन्यवाद
थैंक यू
कैसा लगा
बहुत मजा आया मैंने भी कुछ new slangs. Definitely going to use it now.
प्लीज प्लीज। और मैं और एक स्लैंग्स के ऊपर वीडियोस बनाने जा रही हूँ, तो आप इंतजार कीजिए, ठीक है? तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग। मिके कुरेते आरिगातो एंड इंदु जी आरिगातो।
Arigato. Thank you.
आरिगातो। बाय बाय।
Bye bye.
सायोनारा।